Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about capillarity. Capillarity is the phenomenon by which the liquid raises its level from the above or below the general level. The liquid rises above or below its general level. That is known as capillarity. It is due to the cohesion and adhesion of the properties of liquid. Liquid level rises above or below due to the property cohesion and adhesion properties. Due to cohesion and adhesion properties. Cohesion means intermolecular attraction. Cohesion means intermolecular cohesion means intermolecular attraction. Adhesion means attraction of molecular attraction of different liquids. Different liquids or molecular attraction of liquid with another body. With another body. So the level of the liquid rises above or below its general level. Its general level. The liquid level rises above or below its general level due to the cohesion and adhesion properties. Due to cohesion and adhesion properties of liquid. Okay, what is meaning for cohesion? Intermolecular attraction. The same liquid intermolecular attraction. Adhesion means molecular attraction of different liquids or molecular attraction of liquid with another body. Molecular attraction of liquid with another body. The surface layer of the liquid in the capillary tube, it is capillary tube, both the ends are open in capillary tube. Both the ends are open. In the surface layer of the liquid in capillary tube is called meniscus. The liquid wets with the capillary tube. The meniscus in concave shape wets with the capillary tube means the meniscus shape, concave shape. So it is capillary rise. In capillary fall, the liquid does not wets with the capillary tube. So the meniscus shape convex shape. So the liquid level fall. So consider first the capillary rise. Take a water in a beaker and inside the capillary tube. Now the liquid level rises due to the wettability property of the liquid. Now the meniscus shape in concave shape. Now the capillary rise. How to find the capillary rise? The surface tension, upward surface tension of the liquid equal to the weight of the liquid, downward direction. Weight of liquid. In this case, liquid has water. Weight of liquid. So the upward surface tension equal to sigma cos theta into 2 pi r, circumference 2 pi r equal to sigma surface tension theta angle made by the liquid water with the glass tube, and radius of the capillary tube, and then weight of the liquid water by r, area cross section pi r square and height h, pi r square h into specific weight of the water W. Okay. Now from that h equal to capillary rise, h equal to, now this r cancel, 2 sigma pi cancel, 2 sigma cos theta divided by W r. This is capillary rise, h value, 2 sigma cos theta divided by W r. Next, for capillary fall, take a mercury beaker and insert the capillary tube. Now the meniscus in convex shape. Now the capillary fall h equal to the same downward surface tension equal to 2 sigma cos theta into 2 pi r equal to weight of the mercury, pi r square h into weight of the specific weight of mercury. So now the h equal to capillary fall h equal to 2 sigma cos theta divided by W, specific weight of mercury, into radius of the capillary tube. So this is a formula for capillary fall. This is a formula for capillary rise. Generally, the angle theta equal to 0 for water and clean capillary tube, clean glass tube. This theta equal to 0 for water and clean capillary tube. Okay, theta equal to the angle of contact between the liquid and glass tube equal to 0 for water and clean glass. 3 to theta equal to 3 to 11 degree for metal liquid and tube, capillary tube, metal liquid and capillary. Okay, so 3 to 11 degree. Theta equal to 128 degree for mercury. Theta equal to 128 degree for mercury. For mercury, theta equal to 128 degree. Okay. So main thing, the capillary rise h equal to 2 sigma cos theta by WR, and capillary fall W, specific weight of water, sigma surface tension, theta angle of contact between the liquid level and glass tube. W specific weight of water or radius of the capillary tube. Similarly, capillary fall, H equal to 2 sigma cos theta by Wm r. Wm means specific weight of mercury. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.